Hey, what's up guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now guys, if you've been watching my videos on my channel and you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because there's a lot of you guys just sitting on the fence not subscribed, okay? Now, in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about trading on Axiom, okay? I'm going to give you guys a tutorial of some basic things that you need to go over, okay? I'm going to show you guys some of my trades, okay? So, first things first, what you want to do is you want to click on Pulse, okay? And you can see on the new pairs, don't even mess with new pairs, guys, okay? Trading on new pairs is pretty much gambling, and it's very hard to make money on this side, okay? There's going to be a lot of rugs, a lot of scams. You want to stay away from there, okay? So I'm going to show you guys my settings when I am trenching, when I'm looking for coins, and then I will show you, like, the presets for, like, the buy and the sell, like, so you don't get ate up on fees, okay? Because a lot of people, when they're new, they're getting ate up on fees, okay? So on the settings, on this one, you're going to click on filters, okay? This is the final stretch, okay? And I typically have pump on. Actually, I'm going to turn all these off. I'm just going to have pump, and actually we're going to have bonk and bags, because there's been a lot of plays on bags lately, so we'll just have all these other ones turned off. Okay, so I have that. And then on audit, you can see this is maximum time 3 hours. If it hasn't bonded in 3 hours, I typically stay away from it. Okay, that's on the audit. And then metrics, okay, right here, the market cap, the max, we want 70,000. Okay, and then the socials, usually typically want at least one social, right? At least one social there for Twitter. Okay, and then click apply all. And then for the migrated, we're gonna go to pump, bonk, and bags for the coins that we're gonna see. And then the audit, we're gonna do top 10 holders no more than 25%. Okay. And then for the metrics, minimum market cap 50,000. Okay, and then max 200,000. Okay, we really don't want to be getting anything over 200,000 to be profitable. You know, you're gonna get more multipliers, anything under 200,000, under, yeah, between those levels right there, okay? And then the socials, once again, we want Twitter, okay, apply all, okay, and then that's for the settings for there. Now, typically, if you find a coin, like something that you're gonna ape into, I'm just gonna pick a random coin. Let me open up Bubble Maps, okay? This is a free tool that you guys can use, okay, Bubble Maps. Okay, and this is just a check for the bundles, okay? So we're just gonna pick a coin, just a random coin here. Let's see something with good volume. Okay, so this is the coin that this just came out. Why? Launch another one? I don't know this if I'm in this coin or not. Let's see if it's another one. I hope he didn't launch another one. Okay, no, I'm in this coin. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this coin actually, okay, cool. It just migrated. That's what that was. Okay, so I got in this coin last night, guys, and you can see the P&L, I'm already up like 40 bucks on this one. Now this is a really good example, guys, on this trade, just simply because it's viral, guys. It's going viral. It's a news story, guys. If you want to get good at trading meme coins, you just need to like be obsessed with OCD, like know what's going on in the world, right? Like what's really going on. Like, okay, I'm in the States right now, and I seen this story about this coyote in California. Okay, and I even posted about it, guys. Look, I said Alcatraz coyote is going viral. News story of a little coyote who swam to Alcatraz because he is tired of the San Francisco, California, and then I even put the contract address. So, guys, if you're struggling and you don't have very little money, you want to grow your account to join the Katana Strike, you can do this for now. I'm going to try to throw out some really good calls. I'm going to be very, very picky. I'm not going to be putting out like all these calls every day. There might be like maybe I would say 1 to 3 calls. Like I called blocks. It was a little bit late. It's still pumped. You could have got like a 2 or 3x there. But getting back onto this, guys. So you can see this thing's doing really well. It's starting to pump. I've already de-risked. Basically what I did is I got in down here and then I sold 30% at X2. I don't like to de-risk half because it's too much. This isn't a huge bag or anything. But you can see right here, I put in $12. I took out $8. And I'm holding about $44. Okay, so if you do a couple good trades like this a day, guys, you could easily make $100 a day or more, or 1 Solana a day. This is very, very early for this trade. Okay, another one. This one I kind of FOMO'd into a little high because the viral dog coin, that one's like underwater. This one yesterday, this CCFE, Okay, this was another trade that there's a lot of meta going around right now for this this AI like coding, vibe coding, you know, docs dev kind of meta coins. And you can see this one too. This one's up like 40 bucks. That's another $41. So I've already made over $100 the last 24 hours just on this like little like test. I would say like it's not really a test account. I'm just starting to use Axiom again. So yeah, I'm really starting to use Axiom again. I like the features and everything. Okay, so now as far as the presets goes, guys, let me show you what the presets I use for these coins. Let me go back to Coyote. This thing's finally taking off. Okay, so for presets here, when you click on presets, guys, if you can see this, I'll try to zoom it in. This is for people that are trading with like 0.1, 0.25 Solana. It's not a lot of Solana, right? So you want 80% slippage, 0.0005 priority, 0.0005 bribe, and then you want the MEV mode, you want it off. Actually, is this for buy? Oh, yeah, that's for sell. Let me go to buy, sorry. Okay, for buy, you want the MEV reduced, and then slippage 60%, 0.0005 priority, and then 0.005 for the bribe. And then for the sell, okay, you want 80% slippage, 0.005, 0.005 bribe, and then MEV protection off. You're not really worried about getting MEV when you're selling. Okay, preset 2, this is like close to 1 sol. I would say like 0.25 sol to 0.1 sol. Let me go back to buy so I can show you these settings. Okay, 100% slippage, 0.001 priority, 0.01 bribe. MEV mode is going to be reduced, okay, and then the sell is going to be 100% slippage, 0.001 priority, 0.004 bribe, and then the MEV is off. And then for the final one, for the preset 3, this is like if you're trading with 1 sol or more and you're trading with a bigger size. We're going to go over the buy settings. Okay, you're going to do 100% slippage, 0.001 priority, 0.01 bribe. MEV mode is going to be reduced. Okay, and then for the sell, we want 40% slippage, 0.002 priority, 0.002 bribe, and then MEV mode is off. Okay, so those are the settings that I use when I'm buying and selling. Okay, and you can also use this instant trade here, this little screen here. Okay, and then what you can do is you can open it up and you can click right here, this little pencil icon thing or whatever, and edit it. And then like whatever you're trading per size, like say 0.1, 0.25, and then like 1, like that. And then click there. And then you can change your presets through there. Okay, but typically when you're starting out, guys, you want to use the preset 1 just so you're not eat up in fees. Okay, I'll have my link below for you guys to get into this. But it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. I don't plan on selling this one anytime soon. Hopefully this thing can really take off. Yeah, I think this is a really good meta here. So yeah, that's what it's about, guys. It's like knowing which is the meta right now. Like this blocks coin, you know, I could have sold more of this one. It's starting to go up. I put my take profits right here. This will be like an X3. You can see my entry, 645. I got in a little bit late because I was away from my desk. I could have caught it way earlier. It's still going to get at least a 3x out of it. I've already taken profits on it, and you can see right here, this one's already up 60 bucks. So yeah, it's not bad, guys. You really don't need need too much Solana to make a lot, but definitely make sure that, you know, you're not just trading for a living. If this is all you're doing, you definitely want to have like an income stream, you know, like a job and stuff, and doing this on the side. What else can I show you guys? This, I pretty much showed you the pulse. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you the bubble maps. Okay, so for the Coyote, what you would do is you would just take the contract address and then you paste it in here. Okay, and then we can look at and see the clusters or the... Yeah, so this one doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. If this thing looked really bad, guys, what you would see is you'd see like a big, huge like bubble thing here, and all these little things here would be connected. And you can see the wallets here, they're pretty healthy. Like if you see anything like over 3% or 5%, 10%, that's super suspect. I wouldn't touch the coin with a 10-foot pole, okay? But this one actually doesn't look too bad, guys. It really doesn't look too bad. But that's just a quick check that you want to do before you even ape into a coin. You want to check the, you know, the clusters. You want to check the bundles. You can see the bundles here. It's under 10%. That's fine. Snipers 0. That's really good. But yeah, this thing's looking pretty good, guys. This is pretty healthy coin. You know, you can see all my coins are up except this Johnny one where I FOMO'd into this thing. You know, I got a little bit of FOMO into it because it's like, oh, the viral dog like Zoj. You know, I mean, I didn't put a lot of money into it. It's not that big of a hit, but yeah, this was like a FOMO thing. So, but yeah, guys, pretty much all the other trades are doing really well. And like I said, if you're trenching like this on your own, it's really hard to do. You won't know which coins to get into. It's not easy. You could spend hours a day trying to figure it out. And you know, every time you make a mistake, it costs you money. That's why I created the Katana Strike, guys, to help you guys, you know, level up your game faster. You know, and start making money much faster with this stuff. And you know, I'm also giving, you know, a lot of the calls, you know, to my community. I'm letting them know about coins that I really like. Before everyone else. So, you know, you gotta learn, you gotta earn while you learn, you know, which is really powerful, because most people, when they're learning meme coins, they're not earning, they're losing and learning. If you join Katana Strike, you're gonna be earning while you're learning, right? So, and then you can change some different things in here, like right here, let me go down here. You can change like the colors, you can change the colors to how you like it. There's a lot of different features in here, guys. I really like Axiom just because it's really, really fast. You know, yeah, this trade's already up over 200%. So, but that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you guys got some value. How to make over $100 a day on Axiom. Very, very powerful. Oh, and also you get rewards here, trading rewards for trading. You can see I've already earned over 3 Solana here. I have my link below for you guys to sign up, and then if you click claim here, if you click claim, you can claim your Solana. So they give you Solana back, which is cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I try to cover the basics. I can go into a lot more details about this thing, but the main thing is like the pulse. Oh, and then you got the trackers. You got the trackers over here too. All these like these KOL wallets that I'm tracking. You've got an X tracker, okay, to stay on top of everything that's coming on down the pipe right here. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I will see you in the next video. All right, peace.